Corn futures pulled back again on Tuesday while soybeans continued to push higher, almost to a 2-month high. Michelle Rook is back with more on what's interesting to buyers in markets now.
Grains closed mixed on Tuesday, but well off of highs. Kevin Duling with KD Investors is back with us. And Kevin, not the best close in the grains. Markets are looking maybe a little tired?
They're looking a little tired. Maybe it's just harvest pressure. We hit some round number support today in soybeans with the 1050 mark. That might have prompted a little bit of hedging there or selling. And corn, just not enough strength to get over the highs for the month. It was traded above it most today, but couldn't get over it. Wheat's backing off just because it had a larger run than the other two. Overall, I don't think it was that meaningful of a day, despite the lower closes. So I'm not losing sleep yet. So
you don't think the rally's necessarily over, but how hard is it to rally corn and beans in the middle of harvest, and how unusual is it?
It's going to be difficult. Yes, I think the winds at our back now. I think we've turned the corners, but anytime we get any kind of a move higher, you're going to see people wanting to offload and move some bushels, especially when some of the yields are going to be record high for some, and they're going to say, well, let's go. So you're going to see hedging pressure on the week, on the edges of the week, and if there's a midweek, you're going to see some as well. So, but I still think we're into this 2-step forward, 1-step back routine here for a bit. So
how much of this has been technical, Kevin, versus fundamental? I know we're putting in some weather premium in some instances. Maybe yields aren't as good as we expected.
Oh, that's a tough question. I guess I'd answer it by saying that I think the fundamentals are driving the technicals to shift. And, with the Fed rate cut, we got potential money moving into commodities, and you've got the yield expectations are below what everybody feared. And, wheat's got weather stories, soybeans and corn both have weather stories in South America. So fundamentals are the driver, and demand's been fantastic overall. So technicals are just kind of technicals are starting to line up with the fundamentals, I would say.
Thanks so much. Kevin Duling with KD Investors. We'll have more AgDay coming up.